Hello everyone, this is Rowdy and I'm starting the new Python series starting from June 10th, 2026. The goal is to go over with the complete basics of Python and covering the use cases on Devops, AI and ML and AWS Cloud as well. How do we use Python in these different platforms? And as you know that once the AI is everywhere in every product, right, the Python is a kind of the mandatory skill for every engineer in order to either you shift your career to the AI side, or you are still in your job role but you wanted to use the AI capabilities in your product, right? In both cases the Python is like a mandatory skill, right? So that is the reason I wanted to get started with this Python series to go over with all the important sections that will definitely help you guys to improvise, upskill your Python. Okay, and please do subscribe to the EDUeki Learning channel to get the notification out on your mobile, and please do share with your friends as well, whoever need this knowledge. Okay, and overall the plan is I'm going to deliver these sessions on YouTube channel itself 5 days in a week. Okay, and all the four components, all the four models will be covered: the core Python and the DevOps and the AIML and AWS cloud related use cases. How and where do we use this Python, right? So that is the agenda that I have, and as I said, right, please subscribe to the EDUeki channel to get the notifications out. And the plan is I have prepared the course content as well, what content that I'm going to cover in this Python series, and the link for this course index is provided to the description of this video. Please do check once. And also I have created a course tracker where you can fill up your questions if anything in the sheet, so that I will be releasing one more new video as well on these questions. So that is the overall plan that I have, so that I don't want to miss out any of the questions that you have, right? So that is where I come up with this process to solve all of, to explain all of the questions that you have, whatever is filled in this sheet, right? So that is what it is, and I'm eagerly waiting for this course to be get started. Okay, and yeah, see you all on June 10th, 2026. Thanks a lot.